Healthy Bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. We are making a protein breakfast berry crumble, and it's a single serve and it is delicious. I am going to use a little protein powder for the crumble, but you don't have to. So I'm going to give you some alternatives while we are going through the video. But it is a very simple recipe. You're getting a ton of fiber, you're getting a good amount of protein, and it's a really perfect vessel for your yogurt in the morning, especially during the winter months. It's really nice to have something really warm and hot in the morning, and this is it. Obviously, you can have it any time of year, but during this time of year, it's really wonderful. Also, a really great option for a dessert if you wanted to, and you could add some whipped cream. That's Charlie. You could add some whipped cream, some ice cream, even some vanilla yogurt. Really simple recipe, as I mentioned. It's under 200 calories, about 12 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. And you can use whatever berry combination that you love. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. So let's learn how to make this really delicious protein breakfast berry crumble. In a ramekin, we're going to add 3/4 cup of berries. You can use any berries you like. I'm using a combination of blueberries and raspberries. And 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And we're going to set the ramekin aside so we can make our crumble. In a small bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. This is sprouted rolled oats. We're doing 1 tablespoon of vanilla protein powder. You can use oat flour, almond flour, hemp seeds, a lot of different substitutions here. 1/2 tablespoon of any sweetener you like. I'm using maple syrup. And I'm using 2 teaspoons of nut butter. And a dash of cinnamon. Using a spatula, just to get it started, I'm just going to mix the ingredients. And I just like to go in with my hand and ensure that it's all coated, and you can see that it's holding together, and that's what you want. If it's too dry, just add a little extra nut butter. We're going to grab our ramekin of berries, and we're just going to add our crumble on top. Perfect. We're going to bake this at 325 for about 20 to 25 minutes. I like to cover the crumble 5 minutes just before it's cooked so it doesn't burn. Enjoy our protein breakfast berry crumble. Under 200 calories, about 12 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. This is a perfect vessel for your morning yogurt. Also a great dessert with vanilla yogurt or vanilla ice cream. It's delicious. Enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this protein berry crumble, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys again for watching, and happy baking.